Hello orchid enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Phragmipedium Sorcerer's Apprentice, a mesmerizing and unique orchid hybrid that adds a touch of enchantment to your orchid collection. But before we delve into the magical beauty of Sorcerer's Apprentice, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of orchids. Sorcerer's Apprentice is an enchanting orchid hybrid known for its intricate and captivating appearance. While the exact native habitat of this hybrid is not well documented, it is a cultivated orchid hybrid with a lineage originating from various Phragmipedium species native to Central and South America. This orchid hybrid is celebrated for its captivating and intricate flowers. The blossoms feature a blend of colors including rich purples and deep greens with delicate patterns that resemble mystical designs. The long, slender leaves add to its elegance. The name Sorcerer's Apprentice alludes to the enchanting and otherworldly qualities of this orchid. Its captivating aesthetics have made it a sought-after choice among orchid collectors and enthusiasts, adding a touch of magical to indoor gardens. This orchid thrives in bright indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers well-draining orchid potting mix and should be watered moderately, allowing the mix to partially dry out between waterings. Maintaining moderate humidity levels and providing good air circulation will also benefit its growth. Its enchanting flowers and unique appearance make it an excellent choice for orchid enthusiasts and collectors. This orchid adds a touch of magic and allure to your living space or orchid gardening, making it a favorite among orchid enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey through the world of orchids. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your orchid collection flourish and may your Sorcerer's Apprentice grace your living space with its enchanting beauty and mystical charm. Farewell and happy orchid growing.